Hi students, look at these problems. First question, the sum of two numbers is 7 and the sum of their cubes is 133. Find the sum of their squares. Looks like word problem but depends on algebraic formulas only. Okay, look at that question. What is given? First question. What is given? The sum of two numbers is 7, right? Let the two numbers be x and y. Let the two numbers be x and y. Let two numbers be x and y. So what is given here? X plus y is equal to 7. Sum of their cubes is given, means x cube plus y cube is given, 133. Sum of two numbers is 7 and the sum of their cubes is 133. Okay, find the sum of their squares. Then we should find x square plus y square, question mark, right? X square plus y square. So which formula we can use now to do this? First we have to find x square plus y square, right? So before that I am going to use one formula here. We have a plus b whole cube. Remember this formula? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Do you remember this formula? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b. Now put values in this formula. 7 cube, x cube plus y cube value 133 plus 3xy into x plus y 7. 7 7s are 49, 343, right? 133. 3 7s are 21 xy. 343 minus 133 equal to 21 xy. So how much you will get now? 210 equal to 21 xy. So xy equal to 210 upon 21. 21 tens. So what is the value of xy here? 10. So we got xy now. But what should you find here? X square plus y square. Also I can use x plus y whole square now. A plus b whole square formula. X square plus y square plus 2xy. Right? X square plus y square plus 2xy. Now you can put the values there. X plus y means already I have 7 equal to x square plus y square I need to find plus 2xy. What is xy? I just got it, 10. So this is 49 x square plus y square plus 2 tens are 20. 20 you can bring this side. So 49 minus 20 equal to x square plus y square, that equal to 29. Therefore x square plus y square value how much? 29. This, right? So that is the end of solution. Look at the second question. Two positive numbers x and y are such that x greater than y, so x is more than y. If the difference of these numbers is 5 and their product is 24, find sum of these numbers, difference of their cubes, sum of their cubes. Okay? So what is given? Difference of these numbers x is 5, means x minus y equal to 5. They only gave here x and y are two positive numbers. So x minus y equal to 5 and their product is, so xy is 24. Right? Sum of these numbers. Then first one, what should you find? X plus y. Second one, difference of their cubes, x cube minus y cube. Third, sum of their cubes, x cube plus y cube. Okay, that is the way you have to find. All the three values we must find. First one I am going to use one formula, that is, we have x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square equal to 4xy. We have the formula here already, I told you. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal to 2 of a square plus b square. First formula, a plus b whole square minus of a minus b whole square equal to 4ab. This is second formula. Now put the value here. X plus y whole square minus of x minus y value 5, 4, xy value 24. So x plus y whole square minus 25 equal to 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. So x plus y whole square equal to 96 plus 25. X plus y whole square 121. X plus y equal to square root 121. So x plus y equal to plus or minus 11. So we take only positive value here, 11. So first one is x plus y equal to 11. Clear? Second one, difference of their cubes. For that I'll use a minus b whole cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3xy of x minus y. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab of a minus b. Already x minus y is there. 5 equal to this, I must find x cube minus y cube. 3 into, what is the value of xy? 24. X minus y 5. 125 x cube minus y cube minus 24 5s, 24 15s, 360. Bring this side. 125 plus 360 equal to x cube minus y cube. So x cube minus y cube equal to, add these two values, 485. Therefore x cube minus y cube value 485. Also I can use one more formula here, x plus y whole cube. X plus y whole cube also x plus y whole cube equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Learn the formulas perfectly, then it will be easy for you. X plus y whole cube, sum of their cubes I must find. Already x plus y I got here, so 11 cube. X cube plus y cube I must find, plus 3xy value how much? 24. X plus y value I got here 11. So 11 11s are 121, 11s are 1331. So x cube plus y cube plus 24 33s. 3 2 6, 6 plus 12, 18, 792. 121 11s correct only. 1331 minus 792 equal to x cube plus y cube. So how much you will get? 1331 792. That's all. Nine, 3, 5. 539 equal to x cube plus y cube. Therefore, x cube plus y cube equal to 539. That is the end of solution. Okay, is that clear? So in the next class we will see some more problems. Thank you.